Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use command blocks on Minecraft. First, you must ensure cheats are enabled in your world settings. To get a command block, open chat and type /give at s command block, then press enter. You will receive one command block in your inventory. Place it down by right-clicking on any surface, just like placing any other block. This is your first step to automating incredible things in your world. There are three main types of command blocks: impulse, chain, and repeat. Impulse blocks, which are orange, run their command just one time when they receive a redstone signal. Chain blocks, colored green, execute only after the block pointing into them has successfully run its command. Repeat blocks, which are purple, continuously run their command as long as they are powered. You can switch between these types in the block's interface. Let's explore some essential commands. The /TP command allows you to teleport players or entities to precise locations. Use /give to grant items, specifying the item ID and quantity. The /effect command applies status effects, like speed or strength, with custom durations and power levels. Remember to use target selectors such as at P for the nearest player or at A for all players. Coordinates can be absolute numbers or relative using the tilde symbol. Redstone is key to activating your command blocks. Impulse and repeat blocks need a redstone signal to function. Chain blocks, however, activate when the block they are chained from successfully executes, indicated by an arrow on the block. You can also set blocks to be conditional, meaning they only run if the previous block in the chain was successful. Explore data packs for even more advanced custom commands and functions, unlocking endless possibilities for your Minecraft world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.